Greetings, YouTube model train people. In this video, we'll be looking at the Intermountain F7B. From the last video, I mentioned there was an issue with this one truck. This is actually the front on these. It's funny if you look at it. If you can see here, it's really, yeah, this should not be super loose like that. In fact, if you can look down in there, I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick that up. I think this little tab right here is not supposed to be down. I think it's supposed to be up above the metal. Yeah, because see how floppy and loose this is? This other side isn't like, well, it's still a little loose, but you can see that tab is up above. Right. Yeah, okay, I'm 84.3% sure that's the problem. So I think that truck is going to have to come off. And in order to do that, I'm going to unsolder these wires. I almost always solder these little clips on. They just don't stay on very well, and I've had them come loose otherwise, so it makes it slightly more work to take these off. You just have to heat it up quick and okay, now if you can see down in there, these two tabs right here, you just want to get down in there and pry up kind of like that on both of those. It's a lot like an Athearn with this clip, and then this comes off. And then you've got your worm gear bushings and whatnot. It's a little different than an Athearn. It doesn't have the square gears here on the ends. These kind of snap into this plastic deal here. But that should be... Oh no, I think this might be partially broken. I'm going to have to take this all the way out of here. If I can. Yeah. Yes. Shoot. If you can see right here, that is broken. If you can see where that's broken right here. How to fix that? This could use a little grease too. You notice that is like super dry. There's no grease at all. However, yeah, this is just straight up broken. See how they're supposed to be. Can I get that in? I was hoping maybe I could find the broken piece and glue it back on, but no such luck. Okay, so I am back, and I have 3D printed and glued on a piece right here to replace the broken part. I actually think it's going to work okay. Seems to fit okay on here. Not perfect, but I think it'll be good enough. So now I just need to reassemble this whole thing. And there is no grease on here at all, so I am going to try and get a little grease in here. That should probably be good. Okay, like that. Now, yeah, this wire's right in the way. Get out of there, you. Okay. Much better. Much better. Now on this front one, I do not want to take all this apart to try and grease it, so I am just going to get some grease onto the top of this worm gear here and hope that works its way down. Let gravity and friction work that throughout. Okay, I'm going to call that good. All I have to do is resolder these on here and snap the shell back on, and I'm going to call that fixed. Okay, so for the shell, we'll only go on one way. This is the front. See how it's kind of like more arrow shape, and the back is kind of flat. And this is the front. Like that on the shell. Just like that. Done.